Hi everyone. It seems to me that the nature world is the greatest source of excitement, the greatest source of visual beauty, the greatest source of intellectual interest, said David Attenborough, the famous British naturalist, summing up the virtues of nature. And we should act, it is the source and the base of human well-being and development. Every year on 20th July, the world celebrates World Nature Conservation Day. It aims at increasing awareness of the natural resources that the earth is blessed with and the need to ensure their long-term protection. Ensuring a healthy, protective and sustainable environment is at the base of ensuring stable societies and the guarantee for the well-being of present and future generations. Mother Nature needs our help also to keep the kidneys in good condition.
The history and origin of the World Nature Conservation Day is unknown, but the main aim of celebrating it on 28th July is to come together and support nature, don't exploit it. Conservation of nature is the wise management and utilization of natural resources. As we know that due to natural imbalance, we are facing several problems like global warming, various diseases, natural disasters, increased temperature, etc. Therefore, for the next generation, it is necessary to preserve it. So, it is important to raise awareness among people all over the world to understand the importance of saving resources, recycling, preserving, and also understand the consequences of damaging it.
I'm Shreya S. Here I am going to speak a few sentences about nature conservation, especially conserving resources in our school. All the activities of our school focused on conservation of nature, such as reduce water consumption, reduce usage of electricity, restrict usage of paper by recycling, using newer agricultural methods. Our school focused on separating awareness of nature conservation, like giving the importance of sharing, transport, and employing rainwater harvesting system.
Now I am concluding my words with a thought. Earth provides enough to satisfy every man's needs, but not every man's greed. The famous words of Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.